Dropshipping sounds like a dream where you effortlessly watch profits roll in while selling online. However, not everything is as simple as it appears. Scams lurk in the shadows of this business model. From fake suppliers to misleading reviews, the risks can cost you time, money, and trust. Today, we'll uncover the hidden dangers of dropshipping that you must avoid to succeed. Understanding the common scams is your best defense against losing everything you've worked for. Fake suppliers are a significant hurdle you must navigate in the dropshipping landscape. These scammers promise products you want but are simply middlemen without actual access to inventory. Your hard-earned cash goes to the wrong hands, damaging both your reputation and business model. Always be on the lookout for sky-high prices. These often signal a middleman trying to scam you. Transparency is vital. Suppliers should openly share where they source their products to build trust. If they can't show proof of direct manufacturer relationships, consider that a huge warning flag. Never trust suppliers who lack clear contact information or are difficult to reach. You can easily avoid these scams by thoroughly researching each potential supplier before agreements. Request proof of their manufacturer relationships. Legitimate suppliers will willingly comply with your requests. Order samples before listing products to ensure quality and avoid unpleasant surprises for customers. Steer clear of misleading product information, a scam that can lead to disappointing customer experiences. Overly polished pictures often mask poor product quality and should raise your suspicions immediately. Real suppliers provide detailed product descriptions. Vague listings are often hollow representations of reality. Always talk to other customers and check their reviews on multiple platforms for a fair assessment. Working with verified suppliers helps maintain high product quality and fosters customer satisfaction. Keep an eye out for inflated fees. Some suppliers are sneaky and add hidden costs that eat profits. If something seems off with supplier pricing or additional fees appear unexpectedly, it's time to investigate. Full transparency about costs is critical for building trust with your dropshipping partners. Never settle for the first supplier you find. Comparing options can help you spot unreasonable rates. Selling counterfeit products could be disastrous, leading to reputational damage and legal consequences. Unrealistically low prices are often a red flag for shopping counterfeit goods disguised as branded items. Suppliers should provide proof of genuine products. Authenticity must always be a priority in your business. Fake reviews can undermine customer trust and lead to increased returns and a tarnished reputation. Check for identical wording among reviews. Generic feedback can indicate the presence of deception. Engage with reviews across multiple sources to ensure you're getting a balanced view of product quality. If a supplier evades showing proof of authenticity, that's a clear sign to find someone trustworthy. Launching your dropshipping business requires vigilance and knowledge. Avoid the scams and thrive successfully.